Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful wreath ideas, door wreath ideas, and easy to make. And we gives you in this video tips and best ideas how to grow business and how to make this beautiful different types of wreath, different types of ideas, and we will show you different types of designs. So hope you like these designs and ideas. Please, and if you like more designs and if you want to watch more design to watch, so stay tuned with us. Tell us about what do you want to watch, and we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. So whether you are a housewife or a businesswoman, you can grow business as well. Make something unique, make something artistic with your mind. Take some ideas from these videos, and this season is upcoming season. You can grow your business as well. So make something different, post on social media, post social media on, and post your story behind that. Everybody, people wants to love that, people wants to buy that, these type of stories. So let's begin the video. Making beautiful wreath mat, door mat wreath, from simple handmade jute craft wreath to stunning Christmas and fall theme wreath. Wreaths are not just decoration, they are a warm welcome to anyone who steps into your home. Let's start simple with a homemade jute craft wreath. All you need is a round base. You can use cardboard, a wire hoop, or even recycle an old embroidery ring. Jute rope or twine, hot glue, and some little add-ons like beads, buttons, or artificial flowers. Step by step, wrap the jute rope tightly around your base. Make sure no gaps are left. This natural rustic look is perfect for minimal decor lovers. You can add a bow at the bottom or a stick. Now we going to beautiful handmade wreath. Now let's make a beautiful handmade wreath. Here creativity has no limits. You can use fabric flowers, paper roses, ribbons, slats, or even leftover craft materials. Pick a color theme like fall. In this video we show you the fall theme. Orange, yellowish, reddish, maybe pink and white for a soft look, or bold red and gold for a festive vibe. Arrange your flowers around half the wreath and leave the other half bare for a trendy modern style handmade wreath. Make fantastic gifts as well, because nothing shows love like something made with your own hands. And you can sell it, you can grow your business as well. Now comes everyone's favorites, the Xmas wreath. For this, think of classic holiday colors: red, green, white, and gold. Use pine cones, bells, little ornaments, candy cans, or even fairy lights. Wrap a red ribbon around your base and add golden bells in the center for that jingle effect. A Xmas wreath instantly transforms your door or wall into a festive welcome sign. Imagine the sparkle of fairy lights at night, magical night. Let's move into the fall wreath, cozy, earthy, and warm. Collect dried leaves, pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and mini pumpkins. Stick them onto a jute rope or wooden base. Orange, brown, and golden tones really bring the autumn vibe. This kind of feels like a hug and from nature itself, and it's perfect for Thanksgiving season. Add a small welcome fall tag in the center, and your door will be the talk to the neighborhood. So finally, let's talk about theme wreath. These are the most fun because you can design them for any event or mood. A floral spring theme wreath in the bright diocese and pastel ribbons. A birthday theme wreath decorated wall with balloons, paper cutouts, and glitter. Even a minimal boho theme wreath with pampas, grass, and macrame tassel. Theme wreath allow you to express your personality and bring charm to your space all year around, and how it shows how welcoming you are. So whether you are making a simple jute craft wreath, a beautiful handmade floral wreath, a festive X-Mix or fall wreath, or a unique theme wreath, remember, it's not just about decoration, it's about creativity, expressions, and the joy of making something with your own hands. Try one this season, and trust me, your home will feel warmer, cozier, and more welcoming than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY craft ideas. Happy crafting and happy decorating. Thank you for watching. May your home fulfilled with happiness, charming, blessed every day, day by day, increase day by day. Keep smiling, keep shining. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all.